on my way to Hovenweep Castle. Look what we found on the way. We're on the loop trail. Now look over there. See that spot of ruins? I can't see if I'm zooming in right, but it looks like a head of a bird. That's what it looks like to me anyways. There it is. Look at that. It's a bird's head. And look how round and almost perfectly round. These were supposed to be from the 1200s. So spectacular. Look at were they lookout towers? Because even over there, you can see some. I don't know if I can zoom there. Look at those mountains. It's like so majestic. I do feel like I'm on top of the world. That's definitely a bird's head. I can't see anything else but a bird now. How cool would it be to live in there?